Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this granny stitch cardigan vest or sweater. And you can make this as a short sweater or you can make a long tunic length. You're going to work this sweater bottom up and you can make any size from small to plus size. So let's get started. To make this granny square vest, you're going to start at the bottom and work up. And here's what the stitches look like. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Work a foundation chain in multiples of 3 plus 1 and work your foundation chain more loosely than you would normally, like that, or use a larger crochet hook. So multiples of 3 plus 1. Okay, I'm working size small, so I have chained 25. When you have your foundation chain the correct length, you're going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. So to make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, and then insert into the stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, and work a double crochet. And work one more double crochet in that same stitch. Now you're going to skip the next 2 stitches and work 3 double crochet in the next stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next 2 stitches, work 3 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next 2 stitches, 3 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, and 3. You're going to repeat that across the row. Okay, I've worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, you're going to make 3 double crochet in that last stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Like that. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Now, working across this row, you're going to work in the spaces between the 3 double crochet clusters. So that's going to count as a double crochet. And we're going to make 3 double crochet in this space. So 1, 2, and 3. Go over to the next space between the 3 double crochet clusters and work 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. You're going to repeat that across the row. Go to the next space between the clusters, work 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Like that. You're going to work all the way across the row. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you how to end the row. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. At the end of the row, you're going to make 1 double crochet in the last stitch. So skip those 2 stitches and double crochet in the last stitch. Like that. And this row began with a double crochet and it ended with a double crochet. And now the next row is going to be a repeat of this row. So chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Work 2 double crochet in this very first space. So 1 and 2. And now we're going to work across the row. We're going to make 3 double crochet here, 3 double crochet here, 3 double crochet here, all the way across the row, working in that space between the 3 double crochet clusters. We're going to make 3 double crochet. Go to the space between, work 3 double crochet. All the way across the row. So I'm going to go ahead and work it, and I'll come back and show you the end of the row. Okay, I worked across the row. There's my last space. I'm going to work 3 double crochet in that last space. 1, 2, and 3. So this row ended with 3 double crochet, and it started with 3 double crochet. So the next row is going to be this row repeated. This is a 2-row repeat. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Make 3 double crochet in every space between the 3 double crochet clusters. And that's all you need to know to be able to work each of the individual sections. So you're going to make 2 fronts, 1 back, and 2 sleeves. When you have all 5 sections completed, you're going to sew the front sections to the back with the same yarn and a yarn needle and leave the next section open. Then center the sleeves on the sides and sew those, and then fold the work in half and sew the side seams. And there it is finished, and you can make it short or long. And you can also just use it as a vest or add sleeves. And that's how easy it is to crochet this granny stitch sweater.